Have you ever craved a hearty homemade meal but found yourself trapped in a time crunch? Have you ever yearned for the comforting taste of home whilst living abroad? Have you ever wanted to support local cooks in your community but struggled to find a way? The answer to these questions lies in Cooking Pro, a revolutionary app poised to disrupt the culinary landscape. Our extensive research has uncovered a significant demographic yearning for homemade food solutions. This untapped market primarily consists of individuals aged 18 to 34 with low to medium incomes, including expats. In the metropolis of London alone, Urbistat data suggests a potential user base of up to 2 million people. To validate our concept, we conducted comprehensive interviews with potential users in the UK, USA, Italy, Poland, and Australia. Their concerns align perfectly with our solution. We found user stories emphasizing cheapness and hygiene to be the most attractive to potential customers. Additionally, such messaging had an acquisition cost of $25 per user through landing pages. Through this research, we defined a vision. Cooking Pro is an app that will enable users to obtain high-quality, cheaper homemade food. Users will have access to a network of cooks close to home, allowing them to connect with their communities and have access to diverse meals. Our revenue model is sustainable and adaptable. Initially, we'll charge 10% of each order value, ensuring a steady stream of income. In future, we plan to introduce sponsored posts and advertisements to further boost revenue. We anticipate a customer relationship lasting a decade and orders of $600 yearly, equating to a $600 lifetime value. This is $575 per customer after acquisition costs. London, as our pilot location, offers the perfect launchpad for Cooking Pro. The majority of our research data stems from this diverse city, giving us invaluable insights. Our expansion plan includes targeting major cities across the UK and, eventually, a global presence. These wireframes illustrate how we will provide an attractive interface for chef profiles. The research on interface problems and how we responded is also shown. In terms of setup costs, our 2-year roadmap includes 31 functions. This covers one app for customers and one for cooks. This is expected to be 3 months of development work, approximately $30,000. Maintenance activities would be transaction troubleshooting and content moderation. For these activities, serving 5,000 customers and 50 chefs, we anticipate requiring 2 full-time staff at a total of $60,000 annually. Additional maintenance costs include App Store and content hosting fees, for which we set aside $10,000 annually. 5,000 customers equates to $287,500 of annual revenue, with a margin of about 65% after development and maintenance costs. Scaling to 10,000 customers achieves a margin in excess of 80%, assuming constant maintenance costs. So, why invest in Cooking Pro? It's an untapped market. We have identified a substantial unmet need for homemade food among a target demographic of 18 to 34-year-olds with low to medium incomes, including expats. It's a proven concept. Our extensive research and user interviews confirm that the market's concerns align perfectly with our solution. Sustainable revenue model. Our adaptable revenue model ensures a consistent income stream and potential for growth. Community building. Cooking Pro fosters connections between users and local cooks, strengthening community ties. Global potential. Our expansion plan targets major cities across the UK and, ultimately, the worldwide market. Finally, high margins. We expect to achieve a margin in excess of 80% once scaled. Investing in Cooking Pro is not merely an investment in an app. It's an investment in the future of homemade cuisine, community, and commerce. Join us on this culinary journey to change the way the world enjoys homemade food.